I would like to call up on the stage our chief guest, that is Srimati Pallavi Tai Sarmarkar, Shri Punit Nishad, and our senior trustee Indumati ma'am.
Parents, please clap for them.
So I would like to call Prashant Karande sir and Ragni Thakur ma'am to felicitate our chief guest with a small token of love.
Yeah, I said it about her.
Repeat this again. No? Facility. Repeat the same thing. Repeat this again.
From here.
Srimati Pallavi Tai Sarmarkar, she had made a remarkable contribution in her field. We have Shri Punit Nishad and our senior trustee Indumati Karande ma'am with us. We are truly honored to have them with us. She is very helpful and kind in nature. So, I would like to call Prashant Karande sir and Ragni Thakur ma'am to felicitate our chief guest Pallavi Tai Sarmarkar with a small token of love.
Parents, please clap for them. Clap, parents.
I would like to request Pallavi Tai Sarmarkar to express your valuable thoughts and guidance to our school students and our school.
Hi, very good afternoon, everyone. So today is a very special day for all the kids out over here, and I won't take much time of yours because today is a very, very special day, as in जितना भी पूरे साल में उन्होंने काम किया है, they are going to perform out over here today. And today they will come to know how to work in team, what is teamwork. They'll come out with their hidden talents. And I wish all the best for all the kids for their bright future. I again thank Mr. Prashant Karande for calling me for this event as a chief guest for the second time. I thank all the principals and the dignitaries of the school for inviting me and making me a part of this beautiful event. I appreciate the hard work done by the teachers and the parents for all the kids for getting them over here on the stage. Thank you so much. मैं माँ सरस्वती से प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि सारे बच्चों पे उनका आशीर्वाद बनाए रखे ताकि ये अपने भारत का उज्जवल भविष्य बने. Thank you once again for getting me over here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now I would like to call Megha Nair Miss on the stage for prize distribution.
Good evening, parents, teachers, and all the students present here. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this special occasion. the much awaited prize distribution ceremony. Today we are gathered here to celebrate and honor the hard work, dedication and achievement of our talented students. Without further any delay, let us begin this momentous occasion wishing all the participants the very best. I would appreciate if our chief guest, Pallavi Tai Sarmalkar, and our trustee, Mr. Prashant Karande sir and Mrs. Ragini Thakur ma'am, to grace the stage and do the honor of distributing the prize. First activity conducted was photo frame competitions by our pre-primary section. First rank goes to Shravi Ravi Chetan Kotal. Junior KG section, first rank goes to Anabia Aftab Sheikh. Senior KG section, first prize goes to Prince Singh Bahadur Bisar. Second activity conducted was Best Out of Waste. Nursery section, first rank goes to Mitesh Godankar. Junior KG section, first prize goes to Atharva Rajesh Vishwakarma. Senior KG section, first prize goes to Angel Lalji Dhadi. Activity conducted was storytelling competition. Nursery section, first rank goes to Shravi Ravi Chetan. Junior KG section, first rank goes to Tanmay Tapan Swa. Senior KG section, first prize goes to Rida Rashid Sheikh. Starting with the primary section, first activity conducted was family photo competition. Standard first, Division A, first rank goes to Zamadar Mohammad Ali Hassan Sariful Islam. Standard second, Division A, first rank goes to Mandal Alif Riyafjul. Third standard, Division A, first rank goes to Ansari Ubaid Nisar. Standard 4th, Division B, first rank goes to Gupta Vinay Sachin. Second competition conducted was speech spell bee competition. Standards first, Division A, first rank goes to Sheikh Anaya Sameer. Standard second, Division A, first rank goes to Sheikh Sohib Sabir. Standard third, Division A, first rank goes to Malik Sayan Amir. Standard 4, Division A, first rank goes to Idris Mohammad Kes Izaz Ahmed. Second competition conducted was Math Olympiad. Standard first, Division B, first rank goes to Sheikh Aisha Naeem. Standard second, Division A, first rank goes to Sheikh Sohib Sabir.
Hello.
Standard third, Division B, first rank goes to Satwara Zian Ramesh.
Hello. Come on parents, clap for your kids. आपके ही बच्चे हैं, तालियां तो बनती है.
Fourth prize goes to fourth standard, Division B, first rank goes to Khan Abu Hamzan Sartaj. Next competition conducted was storytelling. Standard first, Division A, first rank goes to Khan Anaya Fayaz. Standard second, Division B, first rank goes to Bira Aditya Vikas. Poetry recitation competition. Standard first, Division A, first rank goes to Khan Anaya Fayaz. Standard 2nd, Division B, first rank goes to Sheikh Ayat Arshad. Second activity was Science Exhibition Competition, Standard 3rd, Division B, first rank goes to Katil Sartaj Anantesh. Fourth Standard, Division A, first rank goes to Khan Huda Fatima Anwar. Starting with our secondary section, first activity was Nature Art Competition, Standard 5th, Division A, first rank goes to Arohi Abhay Prajapati. Standard 6th, Division B, first rank goes to Pari Pintu Gupta. Standard 7th, Division A, first prize goes to Pratigya Lakshman Prajapati. Standard 8th, Division A, first prize goes to Sanya Mahesh Prajapati. Standard 9, Division A, first rank goes to Anam Zakir Sheikh. Second activity conducted was Pleasure in Poetry. First rankers of Standard 5th B goes to Bhumika Prakash Vishwan. Standard 6, Division A, first rank goes to Divya Pankaj Singh. Standard 7, first rank goes to Ashira Kamar Azhar Ahmed Sheikh. Eighth Standard, first rank goes to Arifa Anwar Khan. Standard 6, first rank goes to Divya Pankaj Singh. Standard 9, first prize goes to Ayush Shiv Surat Vishwakarma. Second competition conducted was Innovation Contest, Standard 5th, Division A, first rank goes to Rukhaiya Sikandar Sheikh. Standard 6th, first rank goes to Saqib Maqbul Mandal. Standard 7th, First prize goes to Sneha Manoj Kumar Pandey. Standard 8, first rank goes to Neha Rajesh Mendi Chalmala.
Parents, please clap.
Now we are about to conclude our prize distribution ceremony. I would like to thank our chief guest and our trustee Prashant Karande sir and Ragini ma'am for prize distribution. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Sanjeevni Miss and Shreya Miss.
Thank you, Mega Miss.
I would like to thank all the dignitaries present here. Thank you so much.
I would like to request you, ma'am and sir, to spend your valuable time and enjoy our program.
ठीक है, अनाउंस कर दो, आप अनाउंस कर दो। मैं दे देता हूँ उनको।
Previous year 10th standard toppers, academic year 2023-24. First rank goes to Verma Bhumi Keshnath with 87%. Please clap for them, parents.
Second rank goes to Sheikh Mohammed Lazira Mohammed Abud Rahim, 86.60.
हाँ, that's me. Larib is doing computer science now. Very good, Larib. We are proud of you. पेरेंट्स, आप सबको तो बहुत ही प्राउड फील हुआ होगा आपके बच्चों को ऐसे स्टेज पे प्राइज मिलते हुए देख. यस पेरेंट्स, हमें भी. वी आर सो प्राउड ऑफ देम. प्लीज क्लैप फॉर देम वंस अगेन पेरेंट्स. Now, moving to the next performance, that is Welcome Song, The Change Maker, by our cute little shining stars from nursery, and joining them are 5th standard students.
हमारे शाइनिंग स्टार्स का हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए प्लीज आप सब एक जोरदार तालियों से उनका स्वागत कीजिए.